Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with YJ. Tonight I'm just going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy delicious salmon recipe. How I marinate the salmon to get this delicious salmon over here for dinner. Very quick and easy to make. Wow, just look at that. Wow. Okay guys, let's get to the recipe. Okay, for this pan-seared salmon, I got here a piece of nice salmon fillet over here. Look at how fresh it is, freshly cut by myself. Okay, now we're going to cut the salmon to our desired pieces. I suggest for the pieces to be like finger width, so that once we cook it on the pan, it will be very everywhere will have a good sear. If the piece is too big, then you won't get that good sear. So I'm cutting pieces like this size over here, just like that. Okay, let's place the salmon into the bowl over here for marination. We're going to marinate the salmon, so we're just going to give it a good sprinkle of salt all around. Give it a good sprinkle of white pepper. Add in a few teaspoons of sugar. I'm adding in 3 teaspoons. Add in a little bit of chicken bouillon powder. Drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce. Drizzle a little bit of soy sauce. Drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. And also a little bit of sesame oil. Now add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. You need to add this so that when we pan frying the salmon, you're gonna get that delicious crust on the salmon. Okay, give this a good mix. Make sure each piece is nicely coated with this marinade over here, and we'll pop it in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes before we pan-sear this on the pan. Okay guys, let's pan-sear our salmon. Over here I preheated a pan over here, so let's add in some olive oil all around, not too much. Give it a good rinse. Okay, now I'm going to tune the heat to the lowest. But you must make sure your pan is hot, or else the salmon will stick onto the pan. So here's my marinated salmon. So we're just going to pop this onto the pan one by one. Okay, after like 3 to 4 minutes, just use the pan just to shake it around to loosen it up so we can start to flip the fish up. Okay, let's flip the salmon around. If you don't give the salmon a good sear in the beginning, then your salmon will break apart. So make sure you gave it a good sear in one part first. If you want to have some delicious, beautiful salmon to eat for dinner, make sure you follow this process. Okay, we'll let this sit again for a few more minutes again before we flip it around. Okay guys, so the salmon is nearly ready, but now we want to give it a good char on the salmon. So I'm going to raise the heat to medium, and then we're going to keep on flipping the salmon around. Okay guys, I'm going to give this a final flip on medium heat, then this dish should be ready. And see now on medium heat it's getting a better pan-sear. Over here, can you see? This piece here, just flip it around. Nice. You don't want any burns on the salmon. Just wants a good sear on the pieces. Okay guys, the salmon's ready. Look at that beautiful color. If you didn't add in that cornstarch to your marinade, you're not gonna get that good sear on the salmon. And your salmon might even break apart. Just look at that. Wow. Juicy salmon for dinner tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If this recipe helped, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.